Hey everyone, it's Alex from Audient, and today I'm here to tell you about an exciting new product from Audient. Back in 2013, we made the bold decision to take everything we've learned from building large format recording consoles for over 20 years and see how we could use that knowledge to design and engineer an audio interface for the home recording market. Our goal was simple: to design an audio interface that not only delivered the audio performance of an Audient console, but also provided features that were actually useful to music makers and producers. Features that at the time were just not available on other desktop interfaces. Eventually, this led to the launch of our very first audio interface, the ID22. ID22 championed more professional features like balanced inserts, ADAT expandability, and advanced monitoring control, making it a powerful all-in-one solution for engineers all around the world. Amazingly, 10 years later, ID22 is still as popular as ever. So we were thinking, maybe it's about time for an upgrade. I'm very pleased to announce that to mark ID22's 10-year anniversary, we are delighted to introduce its spiritual heir, the brand new ID24, the audio interface made for producers and engineers. Let's take a quick look. As you can see, ID24 effortlessly combines astonishing audio performance with ease of use. And at just under 20 centimeters wide, ID24 is surprisingly small. However, it still manages to pack in a ton of functionality. Sonically stunning Audient console mic preamps make getting studio quality results easier than ever. And class-leading converters ensure you hear your audio accurately. Balanced inserts let you integrate your hardware effects, and ADAT expandability makes recording drums possible. Whilst customizable monitor control means a faster and more reliable workflow is yours to command. So now it's time to take a deeper dive into ID24's features and explore just how it could be the major interface upgrade you've been looking for.
Introducing ID24, the audio interface made for producers and engineers. Featuring two Audient console mic preamps, class-leading converters, and an intuitive layout, ID24 effortlessly combines astonishing audio performance with ease of use, while being completely bus-powered. Add to that professional must-have features like balanced inserts, ADAT expandability, and customizable monitor control, ID24 makes getting studio-quality results easier than ever. Every ID interface features the Audient console mic preamp, the same preamp found in our renowned console, the ASP8024 Heritage Edition. Designed by David Dearden in the late 90s, the Audient console mic pre delivers ultra-low noise and low distortion audio with a touch of classic analog warmth to add a bit of character to your recordings. Both of ID24's console preamps allow you to connect microphones using XLR cables or line-level equipment using TRS jacks. The input gain is easily controllable on the dedicated gain knobs, and for condenser microphones, ID24 delivers true 48-volt phantom power, ensuring your mics get the power they need for optimal sonic performance. As well as the mic preamps, ID24 has a JFET instrument input, which comes in on channel 1. Our discrete DI circuit has been designed to replicate the input stage of a classic valve amplifier design, ensuring you get an accurate yet warm signal when recording. So whether you're quickly laying down an idea or running a full guitar tracking session with an amp sim, ID24's harmonically rich instrument input is the perfect sonic foundation for your guitar or bass. High-quality converters are a vital factor in ensuring you are accurately hearing what you're recording or mixing. With 32-bit DAC converter technology and 122 dB of dynamic range, ID24's converters make sure you hear every detail of your audio on the way in and the way out, letting you make better creative decisions and helping you take next steps towards better recordings and mixes. ID24 has 4 line outputs on the rear of the unit, which can be used for multiple sets of speakers or for routing audio to external gear such as external headphone amps or outboard effects. Confidently reference your mixes on headphones with ID24's independent stereo headphone amp. Providing enough power to support headphones up to 600 ohms, and with both a 1/4-inch jack and a mini jack connection, ID24 allows you to plug in 2 sets of headphones at once, ensuring you and your artist can work together seamlessly. ID24 has 2 fully balanced inserts on the inputs, which allow you to integrate your favorite outboard effects before conversion, perfect for creating effects chains in the analog domain. If you don't want to commit your effects as you record, you can use ID24's line outputs to send audio from your DAW to your outboard gear and then back into the returns. The return connectors also give you direct access to ID24's class-leading converters, bypassing the built-in preamps and allowing you to record analog gear such as standalone preamps without changing their character. Taking further inspiration from our heritage in analog console design, ID24 features a range of flexible monitor control functions, including dedicated cut and dim buttons, along with mono, polarity, speaker select, talkback control, and low latency Q-Mix monitoring. The non-dedicated monitor controls can be assigned to 3 programmable hardware buttons, which allow for unparalleled control over your productions and enhanced workflow capabilities. So whether you're checking your mix for mono translation or simply switching between speakers, you can customize ID24 to work best for your workflow. Next up is digital expansion. Be ready to expand when you need to tackle bigger sessions, like recording drums or a live band, with ID24's optical input and output connections. Supporting both ADAT and SPDIF, ID24 lets you boost your I/O by adding up to 8 channels of mic preamps to your setup. Press the ID button to activate scroll control, enabling you to control compatible software parameters using ID24's hardware volume knob. Quickly dial in settings, adjust faders, or even write in automation with a more organic, hands-on approach and without spending hours staring at the screen. The included ID software mixer tightly integrates hardware and software, letting you effortlessly set up low latency direct monitoring, create up to 2 stereo artist Q mixes, name and customize channels, save layout presets, assign hardware function buttons, and quickly set up advanced routing, all from one easy-to-use app. From here, you can also access ID24's TalkBack feature, which opens up communication between an engineer and an artist. ID24's dedicated TalkBack technology enables you to use any audio source connected to your computer, such as the built-in or USB microphone as your TalkBack mic, keeping your valuable mic preamps free for recording. Also configured from the ID software mixer is the audio loopback functionality, giving you the ability to capture playback from multiple applications on your computer at the same time as your microphones. Audio Loopback lets you create a custom audio feed ready to send to streaming software, ideal for content creators, podcasts, and streamers. We know the modern day producer needs reliability, and ID24 has been built to last. With an all-metal smoke grey chassis alongside hand-milled aluminium knobs and high-grade component selection, ID24 is designed to survive everyday use, whether at home in your desktop or up against the wear and tear of travel.
So there you have it. ID24 takes everything you love about the ID22, but delivers better audio performance, more features, and a sleek new smoke grey finish that will look amazing on your desktop. ID24 will retail at £299, including VAT, €349, including local VAT, and $399 MAP. ID24 is now available at your local Audient dealers worldwide. For more information, including tech specs, please visit audient.com.